USB-A plus Type-C plus Type-C plus Type-C intelligent shunt 4-port output. Multi-output can also be similar to fast charging function. The shell is made of PC fireproof and flame retardant material, and the high gloss and bright surface treatment process is fashionable and beautiful, solid and practical. Weight 265 grams, equivalent to a medium-sized apple, easy to carry without burden. High thermal conductivity generates less heat, and the charging temperature can reach international standards. It has a unique rounded corner treatment and a special matte finish. Safety always comes first, and this charging head is your solid shield to save your concerns about computer battery life. 140W 3C1A 4-port output black style, fully upgraded chipset, intelligent current distribution, 8 layers of safety protection to avoid excessive current damage to the battery. The volume of BPS PD140A, length 84mm, height 70mm, width 35mm, lightweight design, carry anytime and anywhere without pressure. Whether it's in your pocket or picked up, it's exciting.